My chair that I use is like 20 years old and it needed an upgrade. I like it so much. It's just, you know, not the most comfortablest when it comes to fabric. So I've decided to get a chair cover. I'm going to go through and show you as my wife installs it. Let's go through and put it on so you can get an idea. Here you can see it is velvet, and I like the feel of velvet. It's nice and soft, so I thought that would be a great idea. My chair is a recliner. Now keep in mind it is an older recliner, so it doesn't have the area to put the latch through, the basically stick of wood that you pull to recline. However, we just put a cut in the end and that works, and we were able to get it in. It's also got a pouch on the right hand side so you could put stuff, and you just got to kind of tuck it in and line it up, and you keep doing it until you get it perfect. My wife has done this with a lot of our chairs, and she's done an awesome job with this one, and it's very comfortable now. I slept so much better. I took a nap on it the other day. Boom, just out. So much better. So I definitely do recommend this for comfort and for easeability. It worked really well for our chair, and I hope this was helpful. And this also showed you how to put it on, so hopefully that helped too.